Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I have told you in my previous video, let us see the basic blending techniques used for oil pastel. Firstly, there are no hard and fast rules to blend. You can use any method to blend as long as you get the intended output. The first blending technique is to blend using your finger. As I told you, always start from the darker color followed by the lighter shades. While doing, see to that you do not leave any hard edges between two colors, which means the second color should always overlap the above color. Now using your fingers, apply a gentle pressure and rub the area where the two colors overlap. This technique is considered to be the most effective one, but not my favorite, because you will end up burning your finger with this method if you use student grade. In the second method, while applying colors, follow the same steps as the previous one. Only that while blending, instead of using your finger, use tissues. This method gives you a smooth finish, but while using tissue, more pigments get scraped off from the painting, leaving your painting lighter. So you should go with multiple layering if you want your painting to look bright. The third method is called stippling, where you use dotted motions to apply the color. Apply more number of dots in the top section and lessen it gradually as you come down where you want to blend it with another color. As same as the previous methods, the second color should overlap the previous one. Apply the same technique as you move to the other colors. This method is kind of time consuming and requires a lot of patience. The next method is blending the colors with the pastel itself. When you apply even pressure in the area where the two colors overlap, the colors blend. Anyways, this method works only best with artist grade set, whereas with students grade, it will create a lot of residue which is quite annoying. Moving on to next, blending using solvents. You can use solvents like baby oil or linseed oil, which you use for oil paints. After applying the colors using same steps followed in the previous methods, use a brush with few drops of oil and smudge the area between two colors. I am using linseed oil here. The last method here is blending using stumps. A blending stump or a paper stump is a stick of tightly rolled up soft paper with two pointed ends. And this method is used for making fine details in your painting. And it's done. Here comes the most satisfying part of a painting, removing the tapes. So try out all the techniques and let me know in the comments below which is your favorite. My favorite is always blending using tissue. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.